Here we come to the freight elevator at J.T. Patterson Hall at UT Austin in Austin, Texas. It's a modernized Otis. Oh, we gotta hear the motor on this. I'm gonna put it in 4K mode so you can watch this door open in the frame. And here it is. Wow, look at this cab. It's got a tasteful mod, I will say. Go to 6. That squeak, though. Looks like somebody called it. We're gonna go ahead and get back off at 1 in case if somebody needs to use it. Well, that was quite a ride. No wonder why that bell just rang for. It's kind of silly how the bell just randomly dang. All right, here we are at 1. Well, actually, actually, never mind. Nobody called it. And oh, look at this. Look what that is sitting on top of the filing cabinet. This used to be Otis, but it got upgraded with a Peely door equipment. Anyways, oh, here it is. I can't believe I just coincidentally found an Otis globe sitting on a filing cabinet. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.